Welcome to Tuesday Talk. I'm here at my side gig. If you're new here, I have a design business called La Vintage Decor, same as my channel. I sell paint. I sell Dixie Belle Chalk Mineral Paint. I sell Iron Orchid Designs products. I paint furniture and I sell my painted furniture. So I also have a few vendors there too. I do in-home design and I also have classes or workshops at the shop, and have rustic bridal and event rentals. And as if that weren't enough, on Tuesdays, I come to Atlas Furniture Imports in Altoona, Pennsylvania, offering design advice and also here to assist people with the purchase of furniture and setting up their financing. This week on Tuesday Talk, we usually use the advice of our channel members, but I participated in a live staging event at the grand opening of Atlas Furniture Imports on Saturday. So I'm going to show you the footage from that live staging, and I hope you enjoy it. Hello and welcome. We're live at Atlas Furniture Imports today, and we're doing a live staging event. So I've always wanted to do this. There was a show called Design Star a while back, and they had a white room challenge. I always thought that was a great fantasy of mine, so I kind of have a white and black room here. We're just working with this white walls and the black furniture here, which is this is on sale. It's Italian leather, and all of the Italian leather furniture right now is half price. We are open until 8 tonight if you want to come and take advantage of those deals. We have lots of accessories too that I'm going to be showing you. So I'm going to show you 3 different looks for a basic room. So we're going to do sort of a spring and summer, and then we're going to do a warm-up winter fall, and then we are going to do a colorful look, pops of color. So we're going to start with the spring and summer, and if anybody has any questions during the filming, feel free to ask, and we'll get your questions answered for you. So we're starting with the basics, and we're starting with spring and summer. So I have a gold poof here. These are awesome, and I feel like gold goes with anything. So there's not a lot of room here for a lot of furniture, so I'm kind of improvising with things, but just basically showing you how you can change out accessories in your room for the seasons. Obviously, furniture is the most expensive item in your room, so unless you're able to switch that out all the time, then the accessories are the thing that's a lot easier to switch out. So summer and spring, we're looking at lighter and brighter colors. So I'm going to bring this little table over here and just kind of put it in the middle of our room. And when I tell you that we're challenged here, obviously for size, keep in mind, if I had this in a bigger room, we'd be using a bigger table. So I'm just showing you this as an example. But when you're merchandising, as they say, a table, you want to kind of stick to the rule of 3s. And if you have a really big table, you can go 5, 7, 9. You just want to keep odd numbers. It's much more interesting to the eye. Okay? So I have selected some vases that we have here in the store, and I think these are really cool little vases. And there's a floral arrangement here. I don't believe we sell these, but this is just here to give you an example. So we have table arrangements, and then we can also add our soft lines. So this is an awesome quilt. And you know, in the summer and in the spring, right now we're having a little bit of a heat wave. And you know, when the air conditioner is on, I'm one that likes to curl up with a blanket. So you still want to have that. And I think this is so cute because there's elephants and umbrellas in it, and the stitching goes down so it looks like rain. So I think it's just a perfect spring into summer kind of accessory. So draping a throw over a piece of furniture is really a good thing to just give especially leather furniture, some softer feel. So then you can layer on some pillows, and I love these pillows. They're antique Afghan rug pillow covers, and they are also for sale. And I like the way that the colors kind of speak to each other here, and also to the base. So you kind of have a little color thing going on. So even though we have neutrals in the black and the white, don't be afraid to use color, and even those pastels you might not normally pair, like kind of a peachy look or apricot color with black and white. You can do that. So on the wall we have this arch here, and we can switch this out for the seasons as well. So we'll set this aside, and I'm gonna grab some other artwork here and see if I can hang this. So, and I'm not sure if we're straight, but you get the idea. So obviously in the spring and in the summer, everything's blooming. We have greens, so that is a good way to bring that into your neutral room as well. Okay, so I feel warm right now, but if it's starting to get a little bit chilly, let's move into our fall and winter. So we can take these away and bring some other things in. I have my accessories stashed all over the place. So these are awesome. They're herringbone wool, and they come from Great Britain, and I love the buttons on them. They're just so nice and just really cool accents on your furniture. And then we also have this, which you could drape it over your furniture. It's Icelandic sheep fur, and it's the fur only. It's not the skin. So this really warms up the room as well. And I have a few other things. So we have some blankets, and we have a couple of them, and we also have this too. I just wanted to show you that we have lots of blankets that are in packages like this. If you're looking for gifts for somebody, a throw is always a perfect gift. Who doesn't need a blanket when you curl up with, you know, the TV, a movie, whatever? So we have those, but we have these ones that are out and ready to go. And again, these are wool from England. They drape so nicely, and they're lightweight, but they're warm. And then this, another one, you can put it on all your furniture, and you can layer them. Just a throw. It makes it look so warm. Okay, we can switch this out. Oops. That sounded worse than it was. And I think this one is nice for the winter. Because it's just kind of like a snowy scene, you know. That's just what winter is like. It's barren, but yet we're bringing in all these accessories. So our table, obviously we have flowers and pastels. We're going to leave that base on there because it's an appropriate color, but we're going to go grab some other accessories. And again, we're going to stick with our rule of 3. This just smells amazing. These are 3-wick candle, they're dough bowl candles, and they're actually 30% off, which is a super deal. Oh, if you could smell it, they smell amazing. And these are really cute too. And any time in the winter that you add light, so they're nice, they're really pretty as far as the white color, but when you light candles, when you have little tea light, things like that, that warms up your room. We have one more thing that we want to add. I didn't mention and let me get out of the way so you can see it. I didn't mention the lamp in the corner. I chose to leave that in here, but this is, I'm not sure where it's from. It's made in China, 40 West. But that lamp, I'm leaving there. But this is a really cool accessory that we have, and it's called a cord cozy. I've made this myself before, but this one's really cool because it has a zipper in it. The ones that I did not. So I really like this feature. And it just unzips the whole way, just like a jacket. It's an open zipper. And then you just put it on your cord and start it like you would putting on your jacket. And then just zip it up the whole way. And then you bunch it up, and it just covers up unsightly cords. And it's just another thing that just kind of warms up your space. Like I said, you just kind of end up bunching it up, and it looks very intentional. So I love this accessory. I think it's really cool. I won't take the time to finish putting it on, but I just think that's a really, really cool accessory. They're only $20. So I think that's a nice investment, and they're great also if you have swag lights. It's so much nicer than seeing those cords. Okay, so that's our fall and winter look, and then we're gonna switch it up and we're gonna do a colorful look. Okay, so this black and white room, we're gonna give it some pops of color. So we're gonna trade out our warm blankets. And I'm making a mess, just throwing things everywhere. And I have stashed some things behind the couch, or behind the love seat here. All kinds of fun stuff in here. Lots of bright colors here. Atlas has just amazing curated looks. These pillows are so much fun. I just love them. So that's one thing we can add. And also these throws. Look how pretty that is. It just looks like a party. So you could really use these looks kind of anytime. And we're going to switch this out as well. It doesn't have to be a certain season for color. These are so pretty. Again, not sure if I have it totally straight. And then, colorful rooms are all about fun accessories. So I'm going to switch out these ones. And what's more fun than a blue dinosaur planter? I can't think of much else. So we're going to put that there. Okay, here's something that might be more fun. I'm not sure what this animal is, but it's a planter as well. So you can throw some flowers in them, and then a colorful frame. And again, kind of stick it in your 3s and 5s for that. And again, the gold poof kind of goes with anything, so I just love that. And I also feel like the cord cozy, that goes with anything. These baskets are great to sit around to put extra blankets in. So those are my looks. So I hope that helped you to figure out ways that you can update your own rooms any time of the year and any time your mood changes for that matter. So thank you so much for hanging out with us. And again, we're here till 8 tonight, and lots of good deals, lots of closeout type furniture that's at the store. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, how about giving it a thumbs up and share it with your friends? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Visit us at lavintagedecor.company. On Instagram, we're LaVintage Decor, and on Facebook, we're LaVintage Decor Altoona. Stay well.